Hi everyone, my name is Miss Stav and this is my son Phoenix. Phoenix, say hi.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making car tracks. So what you need is some paint. Any paint will do. This is watercolor, paper. If you'd like water, thank you. You need water. If you're using watercolor, napkins. We are just using some wrapping paper that's clear on the other side, or pieces of paper that we have. So Phoenix, as you can see, is you're making some red. Thank you. Putting some red paint. Okay, so you have to dip the water, please, and then red. There you go. And now we're making.
Mama, please.
Sure, you asked us so nicely. Okay, so first you take the piece of paper or the wrapping paper, whichever you'll be using today. Take the water. We're gonna use the red paint. And then I'm just gonna make some random splotches on the paper. Phoenix, can you take the roller and roll over it? So that's a car. Make sure you use toys that you don't really mind getting paint on. Wow, that's really neat. Which color should we use now? Orange? Okay. It's a really great opportunity to review colors. And depending on the age, your child can either do this completely independently, or you can help them. Okay, can you roll over it? Great, so we're making some really cool lines. Excellent. Why don't we use this race car next? Phoenix, which color? Green? Okay. I'm just gonna make any kind of scribble mark and I'm gonna show you in a bit. But just make sure there's enough paint so that when you do roll over it, it makes a track. Phoenix, can mommy have a turn? Can mommy have a turn? Thank you. Okay, so I'm rolling over it with the car. I'm making the tracks. Phoenix's turn. Okay. Last time, and then we'll show our friends. Friends, check it out, Phoenix said. Thank you. Okay, roll over.
Okay. Beep, beep.
Whoa, what a neat design. Okay, I'm going to show our friends from up close. So this is the design we made. So it's really cool because I just made these splotches and then the cars that rolled over made the rest. So it looks really cool if you make a bunch of them, and then you can get some frames from the dollar store and frame them and place them on the wall. It looks really nice. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.